Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we check how to show 18 plus content on Telegram. So let's start. So first let's go to a browser. In this case I use Google Chrome, and then let's write Telegram web. Let's go to Telegram web. You have to log in your account, of course, and then when you do it, let's go to the three lines on the left top corner. Just click there, and then just click here on settings. Okay, so just click on the three lines, then settings. Here on settings, just scroll down and let's go to privacy and security. Then let's scroll down a little bit, and then you will find an option that says sensitive content. So if you disactivate it, well, you can see the sensitive content, but if you activate, well, you can see it. So now you will see everything that it's 18 plus content on Telegram without any problem. So guys, I hope this works for you. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and give thumbs up to this video.